gasoline time, and it's time for us to buy food. And we got this, a reindeer snack. Let's gonna try this. 6:38 in the afternoon. Kaganda! Another breed! Hello! Ganda-ganda ng view. We're heading to Sweden from Norway! Way back from Finland! Ayan po! Kunan natin ang ganito. Yay! Yay! Marami pa tayong bridge na maaabot. Haba ng bridge. Haba ng bridge. Oh. Steady po tayo. And then beside there are mountains, oceans, and we're heading towards residential area. Yes, so watch all my videos because there's lots of very nice adventure. And then we're heading to the tunnel. That's a long journey. And 270 meters. Not far. And then we see what's outside. Tignan muna natin kung ano yung view sa labas ng tunnel na to. Waterfalls. And here you go. Oh, there's a shop there, diba? We need a shop, we need a water, we need a break, and bye-bye. Windy. Welcome to Sweden, and we're getting inside. Nothing to declare. If you have nothing to declare, just go. Okay naman kasi naka-automatic toll-free naman tayo. Actually, we're in the border. Okay. Yan. Hello, Sweden! Grabe, sa Sweden ka na naman. Daan ka na ng Sweden. Dito po kanilang view. Step, step, step. Pasok na naman kami dito. Border to border. Ayun o, may shop. Dito tayo din sa shop. Do you want? May mga water. Another country, another language. Here is the parking area. Maximum 1T means 1 hour. Riksgränsen. Welcome to Sweden! Ganda naman. Structure ng mountain. Let's go to Lolea. Lolea? Anong meron sa Lolea? Girona. Ganda ng paders. Alright guys, and it's already 9:22. Matras bang oras natin, sir? Bukas, Järvi. It sounds like Finnish word. Järvi. This is our first deer. Hello. Hey. Okay, merong blink na camera, na light. What is that? Okay, here, Vappavaara. There are two ways, going straight and going left. So we need to go straight, or else pupunta na naman tayo sa Levi if we take the left road. Levi, North Pole, so malayo-layo papunta doon sa kabilang kanto. That's heading to north again. North Finland. So we can take this road. Stop over. Thank you for a nice place.